So are you struggling with transcribing audio and video files into text and wondering which app's for you? There's a huge range of different videos out there on YouTube that call out a lot of features that immediately get you reaching for that credit card. The good news is though, Microsoft have brought a new feature into Microsoft Word allowing us to extract all of that text content from an audio and video file, including the timings and even the speakers. And it just takes a couple of clicks to do. And there's no need to reach for that credit card as well because it is provided free of charge. So in terms of how it works, it's not a quirky feature that Microsoft have introduced. It uses Microsoft Azure speech to text processing to do the job for you. And also it doesn't matter where that file has come from. It could be a meeting recording, lecture notes, or a video you've taken from YouTube. You'll be able to use a transcription service in Word to extract all of that text. So how can you use that feature today? Well, let's go and take a look using Word Online, how we can use the features, and I'll talk you through how it works end to end so you can get using it and start transcribing your content in Word in super easy time. So to get started using a new feature, it's actually only available in Word for Web at the moment, so you won't find this option as yet in Word for Desktop. But that doesn't matter, we can head into office.com and then select Word from the left-hand side of office.com to fire up Word for the web. We can then open a blank document. So inside of our document here, we can now begin to do our transcription. So under the dictate option to the right-hand side, you'll see a new option for transcribe. Select transcribe, and now we can begin uploading our audio file as well. And again, that can be a video file as well. You can also see at the bottom that we can use 300 upload minutes this month. So that's effectively our limit for our free audio transcription, but for most, that's plenty. So we can also drop down and change the language. So if it was a different language you're transcribing from, maybe a meeting or another video type, you can make that adjustment here. I can now browse to a MP4 or MP3 file to bring in that audio that I want to transcribe. And here is one of my YouTube videos on our Teams background noise available on our channel. So I'm going to go ahead and open that file. So we can now see on the right hand side it says uploading to OneDrive. This means the file has been uploaded to OneDrive where the transcription service can therefore extract all of that content from. So I'm just going to go ahead, let it do its thing and get up to 100%, and then the transcription will automatically happen. So the transcription service has now extracted all of that text from our video file there. We can obviously click on play and play through our transcription just to make any adjustments. But interestingly, as you can see at the bottom, it says a document has already been saved, including a transcript. So as we can see, and because we're using Word Online and Word from the web, the left-hand side, we can see it's actually stored in my OneDrive. So that is effectively where the file has now been saved to. But on the right-hand side here, I can now begin making any changes. For example, I might want to edit a particular section. So I can also update the speaker name to Scott, and I'll change all speaker 1 and press confirm. And we can now see that Scott has been updated to speaker on any points where speaker 1 was referenced. And again, we can make any adjustments by clicking on the pencil icon and begin actually making changes to our content. When we're all done, however, and I want to bring this into my Word document, I can just go down to the bottom and select Add to Document. And when I do that and click on the drop down, I can now select where it's just a text with the speakers or with the timestamps as well. So depending on what I need, I can choose the right option. I'm going to go ahead and select with speakers and timestamps. And there we have it. That transcription has now been added to our Word document. We could go copy and paste it to another app, save it as a PDF and share it with my colleagues. But we now very simply done a transcription from a video file from YouTube. Just took a couple of minutes to do and all the hard work was done for me. So a super easy way there to transcribe audio and video files into text using Microsoft Word for no additional cost. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, follow some more great content in the future, and don't forget to check out our Microsoft 365 ebook completely for free, linked in the description below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.